Hey guys, today I have the August Glossybox for you guys and I'm so super excited. I finally got it early. They do send me this for review purpose. I do have a coupon code down below. I don't get compensation. It's for your benefit only. I love to always be upfront with you guys when I do or don't, and I always also include that in the down bar. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Oh my God, it's so cute. I swear their boxes are always wrapped so adorable, or they have a theme to them. They're so adorable. It feels like you're getting a birthday gift or a Christmas gift. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I don't know if, oh no, I thought it was like you had to unwrap it, but this is actually the lid, so you can just pop it off and keep it just like that, which I am. This is so cute. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It has the same what's it called, the same little booklet, and in here is all the information of the products. And then we just have like some tissue paper here, and it did have like a little label that I just like snapped open right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in and see what is in here. First thing in here is the Tangle teaser. This is the second one that I get like this. The first one was like a greenish one, and I sent it to a friend of mine because I have so many of these brushes. I love wet dry brushes like this. They are so good for detangling. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one in my purse. This one's super cute. It's just pink, and these are really nice to just especially like detangle your hair. If you didn't notice, my hair got chopped off. I'll probably have a few videos where my hair is a little longer because those were pre-filmed before this one. But I absolutely love these wet brushes. They are amazing. So, and this is, oh, I didn't notice. No wonder it has a cute box. It is the birthday edition for August. So let's jump in here. The Tangle the Tangle teaser is a detangling hairbrush. This is in Sweet Lilac, and this is $12. So this is the original one. It doesn't look like lilac to me. It looks pink to me, so I don't know. You guys decide, but it looks like baby pink with a darker pink on the side. Next thing in here is the Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. It has pink lay and peppermint, nourishing and weightless. This is for oily hair. So this is perfect for me because my hair gets so oily like nobody's business. This hairstyle I've had for about 3 days, and you can already tell like my hair starts getting like super oily. So let's go ahead and try this puppy out. And this is worth $2.99. So super affordable. We'll see what it, oh, it smells really nice. It smells like nice and clean. And usually with dry shampoo, what I do is like I sometimes leave it there for a little while and then I'll do this, but because I'm filming and in a hurry, we're just gonna, but I love the smell of it. It kind of gives it like that new clean smell to your hair, which is, okay, Melissa, control yourself, like let go. Spray. But this is really, really nice. I love dry shampoo. I have so many brands because I just love trying them all the time. The best thing with dry shampoo, if you, especially if you have like darker hair like me, is just to make sure like you work it in there and like really work it in there, because you don't want to have somebody at work be like, why do you got some white stuff in there? That's just an awkward conversation right there. So yeah, that one is a travel size and is $2.99. Next thing in here is the Snowberry Face Serum, and this is like a little packlet. This is just an extra treat deluxe packet, and the full size is worth $72. So this is just for you to like try out. So this is just like an extra something inside the box. Next thing in here is the Jekka Black Glow Drops Primer in Rose Pearl. This is $20. It says it brings out your inner glow. They are vegan friendly. It's supposed to hydrate and give you radiance to your skin before makeup. I've never tried this brand before, but that's something that I love. I always say that all the time in all my unboxings. I love that about subscription boxes, is that you get to try out new products, which is always a plus, and new brands. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, I kind of overdid it there. It doesn't have any kind of smell whatsoever. This is definitely a very luminizing primer. I will be trying this puppy out because I am all about hydrating and luminizing primers. This kind of reminds me of like the lava and all those shimmer products for the body. It's so stunning. I think I would definitely be a little bit light-handed with this on my face before foundation, and you can't like visibly see glitter. It's almost like more of a shimmer, so it just blends into the skin really nicely without giving like glitter. It just gives that glow effect, which I really love. Next thing in here is the Rebels Refinery Geo Heart shaped lip balm in coconut lime, and this is worth $7. And oh my god, he's so cute. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna pop this out. I'm always about a good lip balm. I love wearing lip balms under lip products. So that's what it looks like. It's the most adorable little packaging. It has a little heart to it. And oh my god, it's like the EOS where it's nice and round. And it has a very slight lime scent to it. I can't really smell the coconut. I love this type of lip balm. Or it's not too ultra hydrating, it's just enough to like give your lips a little hydration, and that way you can build like lip products on top of it. Oh, just super nice and soft. This is so cute. Definitely something that I would put in my purse. And then the last thing in here is the Glossybox skincare. This is the Eye Boost cream, and this is worth $18 for subscribers of Glossybox, or $23 for those who aren't. I know Glossybox is starting their own skincare line. I can't wait to do like a full review for you guys of the products that they send me. I am super hyped about it, so watch out for that video. I will be testing these out and just using Glossybox skincare for quite some time to see if I see like a noticeable improvement on my skin. So this is their Eye Boost cream. It reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, and it has like just like their signature logo on there, their signature kind of color of pink. And let's see, oh okay, so it's kind of hard to talk about like skincare unless you use it for quite some time, so that's one of the reasons that I'm probably gonna do like a full unboxing of all their skincare and show you guys all the products, what they're supposed to do, and then use it for at least a month or so and see, you know, they say it takes around 3 to 4 weeks for you to notice in, you know, like skincare difference when you start a skincare regimen. So like I said, they're starting to do their own skincare line, which I'm so excited for to try out. And like I said, this is their eye cream. It is supposed to have elderflower. It has for brightening underneath the skin. It has red seaweed extract, and it's supposed to reduce eye bags and add some brightness underneath the eyes. So they do have a little sneak peek in here of all their skincare. And this is what their whole line is gonna look like. That's quite a few products. So before I get to the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you guys there's gonna be a cleansing cream, a 3-in-1 rich moisturizer, a gentle foaming cleanser, a charcoal cleanser, a night serum, exfoliating scrub, a gel cleanser, a hydrating mist, a 3-in-1 moisturizer. Wait. 3-in-1. Oh, there's a rich one and a regular one. So I'm thinking that the rich one is more for dry skin, and then the regular one is for like more people with oily skin. And then the Eye Boost cream. So those are all their products, and they have variations of cleansers depending on what kind of cleanser you like. So there's going to be cream, foaming, charcoal, and gel. So there, and then the scrub. So there's going to be quite a few different products coming. I can't wait to get my hands on these for you guys and do a review. So that is it for the month of August. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. This is a $21 a month box. I will put the total value here so you know how much the value of the box is compared to how much someone would pay a month. I'd love to hear down below what your thoughts are. I have been trying to get back to comments. I live a horrible busy life, but you can catch me on Instagram all the time. I'm more like frequent to respond to you there, so definitely follow me down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.